this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is a pick a card reading for April 2019. Love, money, career, partnerships, and a lot more horoscopes or pick a card reading, angels. Before we begin, these are general readings. They may resonate with you or they may not. So take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest behind, angels. Also, these are timeless readings. So although these are for the month of April, but you can view them whenever you come across them and they will help you and resonate with you in some way, angels. Please like and subscribe, friends. I really appreciate the love and support you have shown me, angels. Also join us on Instagram and Facebook for daily tarot and interactive and angel messages, angels. I do a lot of stuff there also, so join us. And also, angels, for thank you so much for those who have booked personal readings with me. I really appreciate it, and I have been sending the personal readings over in a day or two, friends. Just give me some time. I'm working on your readings, so yes. Okay, so let's begin. Take a deep breath and relax. Take a deep breath and relax and choose the stone blue, this blue stone, this green stone, or the black stone. If you can see, friends, choose one stone or any pile that you are drawn for your April 2019 horoscopes for love, career, money, partnerships, etc. Option 1, option 2, option 3. I leave the timestamps in the comment section below, friends, so you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. If not, you can watch the entire video, friends. So without further ado, for those who chose option number 1, the blue stone, let us see how the month of April will be for you, friends. I'll keep these aside for a second. Let's see how the month of April will be for you, for those who chose option number 1. Beautiful. I feel that in your career you are really coming out of a very new beginning, a strong and a powerful new beginning. You are reaching a new stage of power, success, prestige, and I feel that some of you might be shifting your jobs or moving into a new job, or you are already looking for a new job. I also feel that some of you are going into jobs which will require you to travel more, travel the world. You might also be getting job offers from another side of the world or another side of the globe from where you are currently, or you may want job offers which are further away from where you live or closer to where you live. There is some sort of energy like that which involves new job offers or moving ahead from where you are currently. And I feel that most of you are changing or have already changed your jobs and are looking for a new job or have recently joined a new job. I also feel that for others, you might also be shifting homes. If you haven't already done so in the month of March, you will be doing so in the month of April. There is a lot of power, a lot of what do you say, a sense of prestige, a sense of power, a sense of substance is coming into you. You feel that you cannot be stopped now. You are unstoppable, friends, in April. And I also feel that communications will be very high this month. You will be communicating socially, globally, with your community, with your family, with your friends. If you had a break, taken a break in January, February, March from social media, out comes April and you are booming into the social world like a social butterfly, friends. This is a great month for communications, for creative projects, for communications, for publishing and art also, creative pursuits, career, and networking. Great areas you and for you folks, for those who chose option 1. New house, yes, definitely new house. And new travel is coming for more travel is coming for you. I also feel that you might be having some financial worries when you come into April, but come April and your luck will shine. There will be a lot of money coming your way. You will also be feeling a lot of gifts and inheritances, or some sort of past dues which were yours coming towards you. Money is flowing towards you, friends. Money is definitely flowing towards you. And I feel if there were material challenges or monetary challenges in the past 3 months, you can rest assured this month will bring you the success that you need. That is how I feel, friends. And what else is there? Let us see. Yes, in your partnerships, there is teamwork happening. There is a lot of collaborations happening. If you are a businessman, or if you are into businesswoman, if you are into business, you will be collaborating with people. You will be ready to work with them. There is a lot happening in your uh, partnerships, be it work or be it at personal partnership. There is a lot of joint ventures happening, joint projects happening for you, friends. And also I feel that if you are married, you might be working to extend your family, or that desire is there. If you are single, you want to meet someone, you are ready to mingle. There's a lot of happy energy that's coming. You want to work with people. I feel that in the last 3 months, from January to March, you had been in your own recluse. You had become a socially, I don't want to know, I don't know who you are kind of person. And now comes April and you're out, ready to meet people, ready to know how they are, ready to show the world who you are. Great energies for those who chose option number one, friends. In love life, yes, proposals are coming your way. There will be a lot of, for singles, a lot of new proposals are coming. Your cup is overflowing. You might face a lot of suitors or proposals. A lot of people are coming your way. Even past lovers may return to you in April and offer you something that wasn't there earlier in the relationship or your friendship. I also feel that you are watching someone very closely. If this is a twin flame or an ex-partner or someone you like, you are watching them very closely and wondering how things are going with them, and or someone is keeping an eye on you, friends. You are being the center of attention. Number one, folks. Very nice. Congratulations. And let us see what else is there. Yes, your emotions will be very positive this month, in the month of April. I feel for some of you, childbirth may happen if you want that. If there is also creative energy, your creativity will be super high. Also, if you were hurt in the past, and if you were let down by someone in the past, that energy will be healing this month, angels. There will be a lot of love and affection coming your way. A new start is happening in your love life. Messages of love are coming. See, let us see what else is coming for you, friends, for in April. Yes, community. See, as I said, my God, thank you, Spirit. Amazing confirmations you give. Even I am totally, astounded by the amazing confirmations that come. So yes, community is important for you. Your recluse phase or your hermit phase is over, and this is your time to become a social butterfly. You are moving into more of, you are moving into times which are social. Networking is there. You will spend more time. Helpful people are coming across your way, both in career and in your partnerships. If you felt your love life was stagnant, nothing happening, expect help from your friends and family. Expect new suitors, more proposals, and even past lovers coming your way. I also feel some of you, pile one, there is a big romantic date coming your way. Please let me know in the comment section how this date went for you, and when it happens, and in April, and with whom it happens, because I definitely am seeing a very romantic and very unexpected but a wish come true date or proposal coming your way. Excellent. And why? Oh my God, the deceit card. Oops, there comes the prick in the, oh God. So why the deceit? Angels are saying that I feel, you might be, you had been in a reclusive and a hermit mode from the last 3 months. But this kind of might be making you, suddenly very very extroverted. You might want to overdo things. Also, I feel this deceit is because you might overspend money or something like that. You might be tempted to buy more clothes. You might be tempted to shop more, buy more appliances, buy more gadgets, buy more, travel more. Perhaps I feel that some of you might be spending your large investments and large savings into traveling, and I feel you might splurge in April. And that is the deceit. Where is the deceit? You need to balance your spending in some way, friends. This needs to be checked in April. That is your only challenge, I feel. Check how much, or how much you are spending and how much you are earning. Although you will be earning a lot in April, but just you know keep your splurging in check. That's what I feel. So, what is the extra message from Archangel Michael for you, friends? Let us see that. Oh my God, you are on the right path. Angels are saying that yes, you have really, really come out of past blocks and hurdles. You have shifted your energy. Now the world is your oyster. You have done your work on yourself. And here is a prayer. I'll read it for you, friends. Archangel Michael, I call upon you now. Thank you for giving me loud and clear guidance that I easily understand. Thank you for motivating me and filling me with the courage and confidence to make healthful life changes. See, I feel that some of you might be making changes to your routine, to your diet, you might be gymming some more. You might go on a vegan diet, or more healthier lifestyle. You might change your sleeping patterns. All these things are going for your benefit, and the path that you are currently on in April is the right path. You have done your work. It's time for you to go out in the world and show the world who you are, because you have really, really outdone yourself. And yes, career success is coming, and so are happy proposals. Excellent stuff, pile number one. Please do let me know if you enjoyed this reading or if it resonated with you, friends. Do let me know in the comment section below. If you want to buy a personal reading, please check the links in the description box below. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, friends. For those who chose pile number two, how your month of April will be for love, career, money, partnerships, twin flames. Let's see, folks. For those who chose this beautiful green pile, let us see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Folks, pile number two, folks, congratulations and a big, big yay, because you are in for amazing and a very, very powerful month, folks. April will be a very, very powerful month for you. Your luck is changing. You are entering a new cycle where things are suddenly going to move for you in your favor and in your direction. If you felt like the past 3 months were stuck and nothing was happening for you, finally you will see things shifting out in your favor. I feel like the wheels are turning in your favor in April. In your career, things will be going your way. If you had politics issues or office politics, or like a lack of job offers coming your way, this is your lucky month, friends. You can expect a lot of job offers, more luck and money coming your way. You can expect a lot of lottery wins also this month. Money is coming in, communications are opening for you. Your wheel and your luck has changed. It's like something, it's like that key that unlocks everything, and April brings you that key. That key that unlocks the everything in your life that has been blocking you from success. I feel also that you might face in the month of April, you might face a lot of work. Although your career will be going super high, you might get promoted, you might get a pay hike, you might get a promotion, a better job or a better position at your work, but this also means a lot of workload coming your way, friends. So watch out on that. You might have to work harder, you might have to invest more time. If you are an entrepreneur working online, you might have to really, things will be expanding for you, and you might have to deal or manage a lot of areas in your life. I also feel that so let's see what else is coming. Yes, I feel money is coming your way. I feel although money will be coming right from the beginning of April for you, pile number two, but I feel you want more money. It's like you want big chunks of money. If small doses of money are coming, you are not happy. You want a lot of money, and it's gonna come your way. And I feel some of you need it for your health issues. You need the money or some sort of like what you say, health, what's the word for it, health investments. You need money, or if you are waiting for some from authority to pay for your health, or health health benefits to come your way, extra money from health or something like that, it's gonna come your way, friends. Thank you, Spirit, for giving me the word. Yes, so extra money will be coming your way, but you might still want more of it. I mean, didn't we all want more money, isn't it? It's never enough. It's never really enough. But I feel you definitely need some money for your health issues or for like changing your lifestyle, and it's gonna come your way because you will be working harder. Your luck is changing, and communications will be opening. New projects are coming. Promotion will happen for some of you. I also feel that. Your current job will also improve. Some of you might not join a new job, but they might be promoted to a new position in your current job. And yes, legal victories are coming for you in April. I also feel that this is a time of major clearing and major spiritual awakening for you. This is a time of speaking your truth and truth coming towards you. If you felt people in your partnerships were not being fair to you, or they were not balanced in some way, your partnerships, this month balances everything for you. It's like everything comes, and it's beautiful merging happening for you. Something divine and destined is happening for you. I feel that pile number two, if you feel called to go somewhere, if you feel an urge to do something this month, you must follow that urge, because I feel there is something destined that's gonna happen for you in the month of April 2019. I feel there is a lot of destiny at work in your life, not just luck, but destiny is working to unite you with someone who is your twin flame, who is your high vibrational soulmate, who is the man or the woman of your dreams. You can see this. It's so beautiful. You are being guided towards this divine connection, and if you already know this person, there is some sort of healing or some sort of reopening or renewed love is gonna happen in this connection for you. So yes, destiny is at work for you. Pile number two, April is a big month. All your worries that you had in the past or currently, they will be resolved. Rest assured, things are going to go in your favor. If you felt like your partnerships were not balanced in the past, like your partner was not doing equally as you were, or they were taking you for granted, you can expect resolutions in the month of April, friends. A lot of resolutions, a lot of judgments in your favor, a lot of luck, and things going your way is going to happen for you. So let us see what else is the message for those who chose pile number two. Oh my God, see, divine victory. I feel this is definitely a victory for someone or some of you. It could be a legal victory. It could be that you are waiting for a job offer. It will come to you. You are waiting for a result, exam result, or scholarship program. It will be in your favor. You might also be waiting for some health insurance or health insurance payouts for you. It will happen for you, folks, in April. You might be waiting for your dream partner or that partner that makes you feel out of this world. It's gonna come for you, friends. April is a big month for you. Watch out, women holding a heart. Yes, love is coming your way. Angels are here. Angel number 44. So watch out for this number, especially in the month of April. If you see this number, and you need to really watch out when this number appears to you in the month of April. Angels will be supporting you, guiding you to new love, to better jobs, and to better happiness and health, friends. And yes, strategy, yes, your luck is changing for you and success is opening for you. So you will also be making a lot of new plans and strategizing how to move ahead, what else you want to do in life. I feel for some of you, yes, I feel for some of you, you might be starting new goals in your life, like a hobby that you thought you would never pick up, you will pick up in April and be extremely good at it. So strategize, make a plan, get your vision boards, affirmations, everything, bucket list, write that. It's a great month for you, friends. It's a great month. You are destined to be, shining and victorious in this month. The only challenge I feel you will face this month is doing too much or trying to do too much, both at your work and in your love life. It's like you might want to do too much. You might want to juggle everything, and that might be a challenge. And sleep more, get some rest, because you are suddenly, moving into good times, and a lot of excitement will be within you. So sleeping might be an issue. Believe and trust. What is the message from the Archangel Michael, friends? Let us see for the month of April. Believe and trust before going to sleep tonight. See, I mentioned sleep and the card sleep comes. Yes. Before going to sleep tonight, say Archangel Michael, please enter my dreams and replace fear with faith and trust. Let me be filled with strength, courage, and confidence. Angels are saying that yes, whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve as long as you believe and trust in your abilities. I feel that some of you might feel that the money you need is out of reach. You might want to buy a house that is very expensive. You might want to go on a travel that's out of your budget. Or you might want to, buy that car or something like that. Or you might feel a partnership that is perfect for you is out of your reach. Angels say no. It's within your reach, and it will happen if you believe and trust in yourself. And April is the month of believing in your abilities and trusting that you have all the luck in the world this month. Excellent, folks. Excellent for those who chose pile number 2. I should have chosen pile number 2, I think so. Please do let me know if you enjoyed this reading in the comment section below. If you want to buy a personal reading, please check the links in the description box below, friends. Please do join us on Instagram and Facebook as Magic Vents Tarot. And also, thank you. Please like and subscribe, friends. Please, please, please. Thank you so much. For those who chose pile number 3, the Black Stone, how the month of April will be. Let's see. So my friend Alice from San Francisco sent me this beautiful candle as a gift, because she knows I'm very fond of candles. Thank you, Alice, for this beautiful gift. If you are hearing this on YouTube, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate. Thank you so much. So let us see, for those who chose option number 3, how the month of April will be for those who chose option number 3. Oh my God. I feel for pile number 3, for those who chose pile number 3, you start the month with a lot of decisions and choices. I feel in the month of April, you are going to feel you know, a lot of choices are coming towards you. You might want to go to always, you know, all the ways that are opening for you. You might want to try this, you might want to try that. Your mind will be at overactive, your emotions will be all over the place. And you know, you might also feel, if you are married, your partner is in this energy of decisions and choices. They are all over the place. You might also feel all over the place. There's a lot of choices coming for you, friends, in the month of April. You might have to choose between aggression, passion, peace, work, materialism, spiritualism, heart, mind. A lot of bigger issues are happening and opening within you, friends, in the month of April. I know this is not something you want to know, but this is the energy you start the month of April with. You might also feel a bit of what you say, you might also feel a bit of confusion in the start of the month, and you might feel that your path ahead is not clear, as there are so many options or so much of confusion going on within you as you start the month of April. But I feel if you take some time out for yourself, your confusions will heal and the clarity that you need for your path ahead will come to you. I feel that the last 3 months had been very, very tough for you. A lot had happened in the last few months for you, friends. A lot had been happening for you, and this has led to a lot of confusion within you. You might be feeling a little confused how a partnership will end, how you will find the right job, or should you change your job? If it's not coming, what is your next path? There's a lot happening in your mind. Not like outside in the world, your life might be going placid, but in your mind, there are 100 thoughts in April, friends. As you begin the month of April, your mind will be overactive. You might have a lot of ideas in your career. You might want to overachieve things. You might want to do a lot of try this, try that, grab that kind of energy is happening. And also, yes, I feel that you know, you need to take some time out for yourself in the month of April. I feel that March has not been easy on you. The big equinox energy, the full moon energy, the new moon energy, and you know, the shifts of Uranus, and you know, shifting from Aries, you know, the Pisces energy into the Aries energy. This is really, you know, this has really done this kind of energy, confused your energy and emotions. A lot of choices and options have opened for you or are going in your mind. So take some time out, deal, and you know, collect your thoughts, write or journaling, write your thoughts. Journaling and diary, making a note or a diary will be helpful to you in the month of April. I also feel that you might begin the month with a lot of emotional challenges. A lot of past fears will be coming. Some of you emotionally might want to leave a partnership, or your partner might be going through this where they want to leave your partnership, or they don't know which way is the best way to take. If you are in a twin flame connection, your twin flame wants to reunite with you, or they have reunited with you, but some sort of discussions are going on which are all over the place. The emotions are all over the place. So take a moment and settle down in the month of April before you start choosing which is the right path. Pile number 3, take a moment in April, relax, write your thoughts down, especially before making any major moves. This feels like in the end of the April, you will be moving and making the decisions, or mid of April is the time of action. The first initial half of the month is where you actually decide within you which is the right path for you or what you really want to do. And yes, emotional healing will happen for you. I feel for some of you, you are moving emotionally forward. The past hurts are over, and new relationships are coming for you. If not, a past relationship will get better or healed for some of you. Someone might be traveling towards you this month. Visitors from far are coming for you. News from far are coming for you. I feel this is a very, very karmic month for you. You might feel a lot of karmic issues or challenges this month, friends. I'm sorry to say this, but karma is not always bad, you know. Once you deal with the or understand the issues, you know, it has its own rewards, and this is actually, you know, you can always be sure about your karmic debts or issues. Once you resolve them, there is 100% surety that the good will be coming to you also. So nothing, you know, there's nothing to be scared about it. It's just that there is choices in your career, there is choices in your love life. Take time to decide which way to go, which way you really want to go. And yes, things will definitely be moving ahead for you. Mid of month, things will pick up, energy will pick up, and karmic issues will be highlighted for you for pile number 3. Some of you might get married, some of you might get a new job, some of you might get a higher position, some of you might get a legal victory in, some of you might also start dating an advocate or a lawyer, some of you might start dating a physician or a medical practitioner, some of you might also what else is coming? Yes, I feel some of you might be moving into better partnerships. You might have to travel, or someone is traveling towards you for a destined partnership. This is a very karmic card, you know. If you have been struggling to leave a bad partnership or a bad situation, a bad working area, or a bad what you say injury or health issues, they rest assured in April things will be moving in your favor, and success and healing and happiness will be yours. Let us see what else is the message from the angels for those who chose option number 3. Yes, see, door to spirit. This is a very, very spiritual month for you, friends. I cannot stress it any further. I hope you keep in mind that whatever happens in April or whatever you are going through in the month of April, you need to see things from a higher perspective. This is a destined and a karmic month. It is like a month where you get your rewards of the past hard work. If someone has hurted you in the past, expect an apology this month. If some rewards or dues were not given to you in the past, expect them to come now. And your inner calling, your true path in life is also opening. If you feel confused about your career, please rest assured this is divine planning at work. There is something bigger for you that's coming and opening for you. So rest assured, make peace with the many choices and confusions. And what else? Blossoming abundance. So yes, abundance is coming your way. Both cards have 3 numbers. So yes, number 33 will be important for you. I feel the colors blue, purple, and magenta or teal blue color will be important for you this whole month. Abundance is coming your way. There are many avenues with which abundance and creativity can come for you, friends. So stay open to any form it comes into your life. Even love will be coming into many forms in your life. So stay open and be receptive. And also take time to rest and rejuvenate. Yes, as I said earlier, take the first half or the first week of April to focus on yourself, friends. I feel that you had been through a lot of issues in the past few months. You had been through a ringer and out now. So relax, rest, rejuvenate. You deserve it. And door to spirit will give you what you need and desire ahead. So let us see what is the message from Archangel Michael. For the month of April, have confidence. Yes, as many paths and many choices open for you, friends. Have confidence in your own self. Have confidence that any choice you make now will bring you success. Have confidence in your abilities. Have confidence in your partnerships. Have confidence that the divine and the universe is working with you and for you. Let us read the prayer that's below here. Archangel Michael, please lend me your courage and fortitude. Help me realize that I am one with all that is divine. wisdom, strength, love, creativity, abundance, and health. Allow me to feel confident and peaceful about myself in all ways. Yes, have confidence that life can get better for you in every way possible, not just your career, but your health will be better, your love life will be better. All aspects of your life can get better in April. I mean, this is a very, very positive reading, friends. I do let me know how your month went ahead, and I'm very excited to know what destined event is happening in your April. Let me know in the comment section, friends. So if you enjoyed this reading, do let me know in your by your feedbacks in the comment section. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, please check the links in the description box below. Also join us on Instagram and Facebook, and please do like and subscribe, friends. And personal reading orders are open. I have already sent the readings which were booked with me earlier, and I will be sending more in a day or two. So if you want yearly readings, they are also there. If you want 6 monthly readings, they are there. Love forecast, a lot is happening. Please check Instagram or Facebook for more details or the links below, friends. Thank you so much. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.